MacBook Pro with Touch Bar, 13-inch, mid-2018, review. A solid improvement. We're just going to come out and say it, if you weren't a fan of the new MacBook Pro's ultra-thin redesign, and its use of Thunderbolt 3 as the exclusive means of connecting things, you won't change your mind for the MacBook Pro 2018. However, if having a thin and light laptop with a shallow keyboard doesn't bother you, and you like macOS, this is a solid but not all-out inspiring improvement. However, besides the 15-inch MacBook Pro, only the Touch Bar-equipped 13-inch MacBook Pro gets an upgrade, so if you are looking to save some cash on a non-Touch Bar model, you'll have to make do with a dual-core processor. Price and availability. Especially now that the MacBook Air 2018 is here, the lower spec versions aren't worth your time unless you can find a good deal. They're still based on 7th gen Intel Core processors. So, the real starting point for the new MacBook Pro is $1,799, £1,749, $2,699. That price will get you a slightly tight 256GB SSD, and for $1,999, £1,949, $2,999, that SSD goes up to 512GB. As well as CPU and GPU upgrades that you'll expect, which we'll come to later. There's a small but welcome change to the Thunderbolt 3 ports. Each of the Touch Bar models has 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and in previous versions the 2 on the right were subject to throttling. That's no longer the case. So, if you'll use an external graphics card, eGPU, you won't have to think about where you connect it, unlike on 2016 and 2017 models. Design. On the outside, the 13-inch MacBook Pro 2018 appears almost identical to last year's model, even down to the similar size and weight. As with 2017's MacBook Pro, there's no change to the Retina display's resolution. The 13.3-inch panel continues to pack 2560x1600 pixels. Some rivals exceeded that even before last year's models came along, so the 13-inch MacBook Pro loses out on sharpness, but the P3 wide color gamut of Apple's panel is an attractive proposition for photographic and design work. There's one new feature to the display, True Tone, previously available on iPhone X and most iPad Pros. This feature is akin to an enhanced version of the night shift setting. Whereas the latter warms the color temperature late at night through to early morning, True Tone works all day long and goes further. Rather than shifting the temperature to a fixed setting, it uses a sensor to read ambient lighting and adjusts the colors on the screen accordingly for your comfort. Apple provides just one way to toggle True Tone. You have to go into the display's preferences pane. Though there's a key combo option and the Touch Bar's screen brightness key takes you there, we would have liked a single key press to toggle the effect at any time.